Assalamu alaikum everyone, I hope everyone is well. So in this video I'm going to show you two more features of the admin panel. So in order to do that we have to go into the admin panel. Right now we are in the login page, or we are logged out of the admin dashboard. So I'll go to the admin panel using the appropriate credentials. I already have the cached credential and I'll sign into the admin dashboard. So this is the admin dashboard. So as you can see, on the top there is an extra option. So if I go to the database backup drop down, this drop down option, and I click it, this redirects me to a database backup page. So what is a database backup? So database backup is basically an emergency backup for keeping the entire data of your database in a server side file. So this is specifically for the users using the admin panel, or those controlling the admin panel. This is a very handy tool. So in order to do the database backup, what you have to do here is there is a form here, and there are three fields here: database name, username, and database password. These are basically the credentials or the credentials for keeping the database backup. So database name is basically your database name, the username is the database username, and the password is the database password. So once you enter the credentials and click take backup, this will store a clone of your database data on the server side. So this is one handy feature that is quite handy when you have a data leak issue or etc, some kind of that. So then another feature that I will highlight is, as you can see here in the drop down, if I go to settings, this settings drop down option, and as you can see there is a page, settings page. So settings is basically the admin settings of the admin panel. So admin settings has a control mechanism. So as you can see here in the three dots, if I go to the three dots and click edit settings, because I have already have the settings enabled or the settings form completed. So if I go to the edit settings, as you can see in this form, there are three input fields. So the first input field is has landing page. So it basically asks whether the page have a landing or not. So if you look at the placeholder, does the page have a landing? Yes is 10 and no is 5. So if the page has a landing, then I'll give 10 or a 5. So this is has landing page attribute or input field. So if I go to the second input field, it is logo. So you choose a logo, you choose the appropriate logo. There are many logos available. I have a different logo here for this one. So you can pick the logo here as well. For the styles, you can currently you can skip the styles as not applicable or something dummy content. You click save, this will update, or if you don't have a record, this will store the settings data for your admin panel. So these are the two handy features that I wanted to highlight in this video. So